Gurukulprep Daily Update on June 29. 1. Important days. International Tropical Day is June 29. This day celebrates the diversity of tropical regions and highlights their unique challenges and opportunities. National Statistics Day, June 29. Celebrated on the birth anniversary of renowned statistician Prof. Prasanta Chandra Mahalanobis, this day emphasizes the importance of statistics. 2. Appointments. Vikram Misri has been appointed as India's new Foreign Secretary. He will replace Vinay Kwatra on July 15. He previously served as PM Modi's private secretary. 3. Awards. Indian author Arundhati Roy has been awarded the Pinter Prize for her outstanding literary merit. 4. Defense. DRDO's Abhyas completes 6 successful tests. DRDO has completed 6 developmental tests of Odisha's high-speed expendable aerial target, Abhyas. 5. National. India's contribution to Hindi at the UN. The Government of India has contributed $1.169 million to promote the use of Hindi in the United Nations. 6. International. World Bank approves funds for India's green energy. The World Bank has approved a $1.5 billion loan for India's green energy projects. 7. Rankings and reports. Vienna named world's most livable city. According to the EIU report, Vienna has been named the world's most livable city for the 3rd consecutive year. 8. Science and technology. SpaceX wins NASA contract. SpaceX has secured a $843 million contract with NASA to deorbit the ISS in 2030.